here's how we do the transition video. I've already covered how we transform the original video to an animated video, and I'm not going to talk about that on this video, so I'm just going to touch on how we can do the transition between the animated and the original video. So you go to Capcut or any video editing app you know how to use. You click on new project. So I'm going to be working with Capcut. So I already have the videos transformed from an original video to an animated video, so I'm not going to cover that. All right, so I'm just going to go straight into, so this is the animated video. I pick that first, then I go to overlay the original video, overlay it. So you stretch this to fit to the screen so that they are exactly the same dimension. All right, so you see now the original video is showing first. Now what I will advise is, for a catchy content, you need the animated video to start so that you can engage your viewers. All right, so what you do is very simple, pretty simple, right? So I want the animated videos to show first, so I'm going to take this, drag this to whatever point I want it, or maybe split and delete. So it's going to be like this. It's going to start at then you come here, split, you drag away, so you have go back to the beginning. So you keep doing that, drag this, go to another point, split, drag. So you keep doing that till you're satisfied with what you're seeing. So let's do this so that it ends with the animated video. So I will delete this. So let's play from the start. So you now get, let's expand the screen. And that is how it is done. Then you can go ahead and export and upload to whatever platform you want to upload. Thank you. Meanwhile, please go and watch the video that explained how to use Meta AI to do the transformation.